You should see me in the crowd. I know there's nothing to watch me become loud.
Hey cuties, and welcome back to my channel for another video. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to go shopping for my new vlogging camera. I bought originally a Sony, I'll insert what the name was up here, but anyways, the quality wasn't what I thought it was gonna be, which fair enough, it was way cheaper. It was a lot cheaper than the one I wanted was. So I'm disappointed because the vlog that I took, so the last video that I did, the vlog of my co-ed basketball finals, was really funny, but I'm pissed that the quality was really shitty. So I'm a little disappointed, but I'm gonna take you guys with me to Best Buy. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're back and let's do an unboxing. So I got the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This is what everyone on YouTube uses for vlogging. Almost everyone, I mean. It was definitely three or four times the price of my last one, but gotta splurge if you want to make good quality videos. Convince myself that. Okay, so I haven't even opened it. We're gonna unbox it. Let's go. Of course, I tested it out in the store and everything, but how do I even... Imagine I break it. The guy was trying to convince me to buy the warranty too or whatever on it. And I was like,
in your dreams, I'm not paying any more money for this.
okay. So first we got a bunch of books and stuff that you know I'm never gonna read. You just know it already. Okay, so what the inside of the box looks like. I'm assuming this is the camera. And then I'm losing shit everywhere. Okay. So we have the charger. I'll take it out for you guys. I'm gonna do some test clips too in a bit. So we have a charger. So I would guess this just plugs into the wall. Then we have a handle strap. We have the battery here. Battery. And then look at how pretty. Okay. Getting a little emotional. Okay, so I'm gonna put my own memory card in. So the bottom here is where you put everything. So the memory card goes in the top, and then we're gonna take the battery. It's gonna go with the little 3 prongs first. Yeah, 3 prongs first, and then you just close it and you have to lock it. Okay, should we turn her on? So first off, it's saying to set the date and time, which I'm about to do. Okay, so this is me filming right now on, I'm gonna have to get used to this because the viewfinder's up there. I'm used to the viewfinder being on the side from my other Canon camera. But yeah, so right now I'm like filming. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you guys. Right now I was filming on my phone and oh, I dropped something. And holy crap, okay. This is so exciting. Okay, let's take it around to like different lighting. Oh, this is so HD. Oh, I love it. Sorry if I also look like a teenage boy. I have no makeup on, so. I wonder how the sound is gonna work too. I wonder how close I can get. Is it gonna focus? Oh, it's focusing. Oh, don't look at my teeth. Ew. It's pretty quick focus. I'm really enjoying that. I hope the sound, we'll see how the sound is when we actually do everything. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, so the battery died because of course it wasn't charged. So I'm gonna finish this video filming on my phone, but good thing I got some test shots in there before, and maybe I'll try to get a few other video clips once the battery's charged and maybe some photos or something just to show you what it looks like. Yeah, but I'm super freaking excited. I'll just show you guys what it does. I think it's cool because it comes out. That's like so sick. And then it also has the flip up screen. Yeah. Then it has a little flash. Super cute. I'm super excited to start filming on this baby. It took a minute to bite the bullet. It took me buying the cheaper one that I was like, we need to step up our game. If we wanted to start making more YouTube videos, we gotta step up our game. Okay, so far I'm loving this. First impressions, obsessed. Yeah. Okay guys, hey! So I charged the battery a bit and I'm back. So far I've been using this camera for the rest of the day and I'm obsessed with it. I already filmed another video that should be coming out. I'm literally obsessed with this camera. I'm so obsessed, like you don't understand how obsessed I am, guys. I'm so obsessed! Look at how close you can get and it still fucking like focuses. Hello? Oh, I love this so much. Okay, this camera makes me so freaking happy. The autofocus is so quick. It's so quick. Bro, like it's so quick. I just filmed a whole video and damn, like why didn't I get this camera sooner? Why? And like review 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love it. This camera's bomb. Bomb as shit, bro. I have it right now on its like little tripod. Bomb as shit, bro. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend, bro. Like, so happy with this. So happy. So that's all for this video, I guess. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below because you know I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and hopefully we'll get some good videos out soon. Sweet. Thanks, guys.